Hi, my name is Horvath. I am in EDCI 270, and today I'm going to be talking about my current folder structure, as well as how to create a new document, and finally how to move that document to a certain folder, or how to share that folder or document with another person. So to start things off, I'm going to be talking about my current folder structure, and I have two separate folders, main folders. I have one for my high school stuff, as well as one for my college things. So I'm going to be clicking on my Purdue folder, and I have three subfolders within my main Purdue folder, and I'm going to be talking about the EDCI 270 folder. Within EDCI, I have a folder for my project resources as well as my actual projects. So I'm going to be clicking on my projects, and I have two separate documents going on right now. And if you want it, so let's say now I'm going to be talking about how to create a new document and how to move this document to a certain folder. Start things off, if you wanted to create a document for this specific folder that you're already in, you would click New in this upper left-hand corner, and you could click on whatever document you'd like to start. If you were to do this, your project or your file that you'd be working on would automatically go into this folder. But let's just say that you were on your main page, your main drive, and you needed to create this document, and you weren't within this folder that you needed it to be in. So you would just click New, and we're just going to click File Google Docs for right now. I'm just going to name this Google Doc as test number 1. So you can see up as I've labeled it test 1. If you wanted to share this current document with another person, you just click Share in the upper right hand corner, and then you could enter this person that you want to share with their email address, and then you'd click whether they can view it and comment and whatnot and so on, and then you'd click Done. And then if you were done with this, you'd go back to your My Drive tab, and you could see that I have test 1 done. So I'm going to click on test 1, and I'm going to be clicking on more selections, and I'm going to be clicking on move to. After you click on move to, it's going to prompt you with where you want to move it to, and I want to move it to my EDCI folder, so I'm going to be clicking Purdue. Double click on this arrow on the corner, and I want to move it to the EDCI projects folder, so I'm going to click again EDCI 270, EDCI projects, and then this will move the document that I have currently selected to my EDCI projects folder. As you can see, it's no longer there, it's just moved to my EDCI projects folder. And I'm going to be sharing my EDCI project folder with another person. So I'm going to be going to my EDCI project folder, and I've clicked on my EDCI project folder. As you can see, it's highlighted in blue. I'm going to click this right next to the thing that looks like a paperclip. And between the trash can and the paperclip, I'm going to be clicking the little person with the plus sign next to them, and this is how you're going to share your folder with another person. So I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to send it to my Purdue email. And I'm going to make it available so I can organize, add, and edit. And then I'm going to be clicking send. We're just going to be sending the link. Now this current folder is shared with another person. And you can see that because there's two things going on right here, two people going on right here, and it'll show once I would have accepted it with my other account, it would have been showing that I can view it with my other account and I could work on it with a different account. And so that is how you work with Google Drive and how to share not only my current folder structure, how to create a new document and move it, and finally how to share your folder or your document with another person.